Hi students, let us continue our lesson Resources and Development. Today we are in part 4. Okay, so last time we have discussed about land resources and also we have discussed about how to utilize the land, how the land is utilized by in different way. Okay, so let us continue our lesson. Today we are going to discuss about land degradation. So what is land degradation? We are going to learn and how to avoid it. Okay, what is land degradation? It is a decrease in quality of land which makes it unfit for cultivation. Land degradation's character is decrease in quality of land and which makes it unfit for cultivation. You cannot do cultivation. So what is the reason for land degradation? First one is deforestation. So because of deforestation we can see land degradation. How deforestation happen? Because of mining. So it's activity of human being, he do mining. That's why deforestation. Where it is? Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha. These states facing the problem of deforestation. Of course in Karnataka also. Second point of land degradation because of overgrazing, means animals we rear them in different places. Example Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. So freely they are take the food and that land will be the what not useful for what something useful. And over irrigation. Over irrigation it happens in Punjab, Haryana, Western and Uttar Pradesh. Over irrigation is using a lot of water. When water you flow so much or the land absorb lot of water, you cannot get benefit. And of course plants don't get oxygen there. So there is land degradation happens. And soil becomes alkaline. Means the power, the strength will be loose. And fourth point, because what is the reason of land degradation is cement industry generate huge amount of dust. You know, so much industries are there. Cement industry also one of them which what generate or produce a lot of dust which is damage to the land. And industrial waste. The industries produce lot of waste things. That is all makes the land what quality less and of course unfit for cultivation. So these are the reasons for land degradation. These are the reasons where quality of land is very less and not useful for cultivation. So what to do? What we have to do? We have to conservation. What are the conservation measures? We have to take action for this to avoid. So what is that? First one is afforestation. The first point which makes our environment or the resource helpful means we have to conserve. That is, we want to make afforestation means we have to grow more and more plants and trees. Second one is we have to learn management of grazing land, means animals what we want to provide the food that should be balanced, or we have to manage that where they want to take the food. Some limited area there we have to fix. Everywhere simply we should not leave the animals to graze their food. So these are the 2 points. Let us see what third point is. First one is afforestation. Second one is management of what grazing land to conservation measures. Third one is proper irrigation. Irrigation everybody do, but proper, neatly, correctly we have to do. Means we should not use a lot of water, or without water we cannot do. That's why we should use proper way. That's why we have to use sprinkler to prevent over irrigation. Means drop what some drops comes from the water pipe we have to use. Then control mining activities. So it's a big problem today we are facing. That is mining activities that should be controlled. Then treating industrial waste before discharging. So the industry discharge so many unwanted things, we should avoid that. Okay, so that's all for the day. We meet next lesson. We discuss about the soil. So remember last time power sharing I have given notes for you. Okay, you should complete and send for me correction. Okay, after writing neatly send me for my WhatsApp number. Thank you.